Hi everyone, and welcome again to this short video series. In this video, I'll be talking about 2019 exam question number 14. This question came from the topic of linear relationships. So going to the topic here, which is linear relationship, and this was from 10.1.2 section, which is a second type of exam question. So let's go here. So we look for 2019 question 14, which is this one. Okay. So this question is about this one is about linear relationships. You are given a starting point of social media followers. So Luke has 165 followers on social media on Saturday, and Riff has 537 followers. So that's the starting point, right? And on average, Luke gains 3 followers a day, and Riff loses two followers a day. So then what you need to represent is this information using an equation. So what you need to do is that on any given day, so if x represents the number of days since Saturday, then you need to represent that in an information that how many total followers would be for each of Luke and Riz if y is the total number of followers on any given day. So let's take out the question. So here's the question. Um, so you start off with this kind of question. You would start off by putting the starting point. So let me make it my pen. Okay. So the starting point for Luke is 165 followers, right? So let me write down Luke. So starting point is 165. Then what's happening is he's gaining 3 followers every day. And if X is the number of days, so for any number of days that increase, he's gonna gain 3 times the number of days as the followers that he will gain. So he will gain 3x, whereas Riz is losing followers, right? So you will start off again by writing the starting point for Riz, which is 537 followers, and she's losing a follower two times every day, 2 followers a day. So you multiply 2 with x. So that would be your answer, which in this case is option B.